thanks to Nepal because I have got some great relation with Nepal from my childhood because my mama bari in Darjeeling. So I was in Kathmandu young age, Pashupatinath, and I love Nepal from my heart and from my music. First of all, education is the must because education, the future of Nepal, they should do education because education must for the young generation. But now I want to tell you something like my music loved by Nepal all over country. I think so I want to do something through my lovely singing and music to Nepal. Bapida is yours and thanks to giving me Goodwill Ambassador and definitely I am with you UNESCO, Hariji, I am with you, no problem from my heart. It's not like I'm 42 years I'm in this industry, 500 films released, and lot of 70s too. Today also I'm doing. But for my country like India and Nepal, they are both very friendly and I think so I should do something for Nepal and for the Nepali audience I want to say Mo Nepal Basi Love Garchu. Mo Nepal Basi Love Garchu. Sab Mera Namaskar. Thanks to all my media and media is the main. I respect, I salute all the medias, all the cameras, cameraman, everybody. And in Bombay and my Dharma Bhumi in Maharashtra. I want to do something and I want to say something special word. Every child should be given the right to education. Literacy is the foundation stone on which developing nations will grow and emerge. I am very happy that my words will make a difference in the lives of millions of children. I request everyone whose words matter to join me in this quest for education for all. Main line is education for all. All you do because I'm telling lot of times future of Nepal you need education and today is a great day for honoring me for Goodwill Ambassador when I am with you. UNESCO, Hariji, I am with you.
Of course, our very own and very dear Bapida. We just love Bapida, and me being from Kolkata, Bapida is kind of a own Dada, and definitely Dada, Dr. Dipankar Roy, under whose guidance and under whose invitation I am here. First of all, I want to say, I'm really privileged and honored to be given this post of Goodwill Ambassador for education for the girl child. Myself being a woman and coming from Asansol, which is a very small town, 4 hours from Kolkata. I've been studying over there. My entire studies, schooling, everything was from Asansol, and I was fortunate to have a good education. And then came to Calcutta and did my MBA and did my fashion designing. Today, at this point of life, I look back and then I can feel, when I have been given this post of Goodwill Ambassador, I feel it is so important for any human being, not only a girl child, to have education. Because education just opens up so many other doors, how you look towards the world. And I, being a designer, I have always been trying to, through my designing, I have been trying to educate a lot of women, lot of young children who are not children, I would say, lot of young girls who are working under my guidance and doing different kinds of, Indian embroideries, craftsmanship. I was given this offered this post of Goodwill Ambassador just a week back, and there are so many plans, which is going on in my head right now, how to take this forward. But what I would like to do, being a designer, I think we need to sit and we need to discuss in much more depth as to how to do a constructive, constructive impact, in the life of the women of Nepal. But what I want to do is, definitely education is a must, but after education also I would like to, I have plans of giving vocational training, especially in what I am, good at, in designing, in embroideries, in stitching, in fabric painting, which a woman or a girl can do while working, while looking after home.
मैं ये सम्मान को एक्सेप्ट करता हूँ. Thanks to Nepal, my favorite country, and they have come here and honoring us, Agni ji, myself, to Goodwill Ambassador, and I will definitely justice for this thing, because I always respect Nepal because of the musically very powerful, the folk songs are fantastic, and people are very nice, and that's why, and I want to tell again, because I just say something like mo Nepal basi love karchu sab mera namaskar ho. So I want to contribute something. The education is the main thing. Everybody is telling education beautifully. Agni ji told, like her everything design, but education is first, and future of Nepal, they should do education and all over the world. And thanks to UNESCO, the president Mr. Hariji, he has invited us, myself and Agni ji, and I think so it is a great event, and I will do myself, I promise, for this journey from today, I will do justice for education all. Ulala is the biggest hit. Oshona itna jaldi, and I think so people has loved me, and just now I feel like We Are the World, composed by Michael Jackson. I want to compose one song, Education All, to record from my side, and I will release all over Nepal, and everybody can hear Education All. It's, like what you asked me, what asked Vinod ji. My style of work is through music, you understand? And the young children, they love music, and that's why I will try from my music what I can do in this thing, this big opportunity they have given me.
है कि पपीदा की म्यूज़िक ऑलरेडी पॉपुलर है बहुत इंडिया में, नेपाल में. पपीदा को सब जानते हैं, और एजुकेशन शब्द, एजुकेशन मूवमेंट, उनके म्यूज़िक, उनके बारे से जुड़ जाएगा तो ऑटोमेटिकली एजुकेशन और पॉपुलर होगा. तो ये स्माइल इसलिए आ जाती है क्योंकि उनकी म्यूज़िक सुन के सभी लोगों को अच्छा लगता है. तो वो म्यूज़िक और इनका चेहरा बहुत जल्दी ही कनेक्ट हो जाता है. अगर ये कनेक्शन है तो लोगों को एजुकेशन से कनेक्ट होना बहुत इजी होगा कि पपीदा एंडोर्स कर रहे हैं इसको, तो वो मूवमेंट में बहुत बड़ा फ़ायदा होगा।